So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page from scratch, from start to finish, as well as showing you how to can turn your existing Facebook account into a page. So if that seems like what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching. So go to this button right here and click on it. You see this menu, go ahead and click on pages, and when it will bring you to this page, and go ahead and click on create. Then it say create your page, so click on get started. It said what is the name of your page. Go ahead and input any name of your choice. For me, I already have a name in mind that I want to use, so I'll just go ahead and input it, which is in details studio. So for you, feel free to input any name you want to use. So after I'm done with that, I'll click on next, and it will bring me to this place where it says which category best describes you. I'll go ahead and add music and band. So after I'm done adding it, I'll click on create. So this menu serves as a keyword for your Facebook page. So go ahead and click on any keyword, or even feel free to search the one that you are. So after I'm done with that, it brought me to this page where it says promote your product or services, or create content and connect with fans. So I'll go ahead and create and tap on create content and connect with fans. I'll click on continue. The reason is that I don't have any product I'm trying to promote. So voila, our page is almost done. So it will it will bring us this page where it says customize your page. So in this section, all you need to do is to add your pictures, your profile pictures, your background pictures. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to customize a profile picture and a background picture that is not my normal pictures. So let's quickly go to Canva. So quickly click on Canva, and now we are in Canva. So it will bring out this new menu or page. We'll scroll down to where they say Facebook cover. Scroll down until you find where they say Facebook cover, and then click on Facebook cover. Click on see all. So let's give it time to load. After we have clicked on that Facebook cover, it will load to bring out multiple options that they have. So let's give it time. Voila, this is here. So it gives us different templates or dates and different options to work with. You can just choose one here, modify it the way you want, change it the way you want, can change the background, do everything. But for us, we want to start from scratch. So what we'll do is click on this plus icon, and it will be, let's give it time to load. Well, after it's done loading, it will give us something like this for us to, start customizing the way we want. So you click on elements. So let's tap on this blue background that is here, and we'll import this blue background into this worksheet that is here. So use your hand, feel free to rescale it to the size that you want it, that will fit the Facebook background cover. So let's add text to this to give it more meaning. So click on the text icon, and then click on text bar where they said add heading. So after that, we'll go ahead to type what we want to type. So let's go ahead and type in detailed studio, which is the name of our Facebook page. So let's go ahead and input that. So in Canva, you can do so many things. Just while we are inputting it, you can customize fonts in any way you want. So let's go ahead and customize this font, because I don't want it to be like this. So after I'm done typing, I'll click on fonts, and let's look for this font called Anton fonts. Yes, let's look for this font, Anton font. There are many templates or many fonts you can choose, but let's use Anton font for this. This is it. We'll click on it and give it time to load, and you see everything has changed. So feel free to scale it out, or increase the font size. So let's go ahead to change the font color to any color. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to use this Fisher pink. You can change it to white, you can change it to black, depending on the one you want. But for this, I want it to be this Fisher pink. So after I'm done with that, So I don't like the way it is just right now. So I want to add extra information to that. So I would quickly tap on this text icon, to bring out the text bar again, and we'll add this place and say add a text heading. We'll go and add again to give it like the reason why I'm adding another text to give it like another explanation of what the page is all about. So I'll go ahead and impute home of gist. So after I'm done with that, I will rescale it and change the font color and the font size. So feel free to rescale it, drag it a little bit further to to give or increase the font size depending on what you want. So for this, I'll be leaving it at 37. I'll be leaving the font size as 37. Then I want to change the font color, so I'll be using white for this tutorial because I don't like the fonts that I use. So I want to go ahead and change it. So click on font and then go to this place where they said League Spartan. That's the font we'll be using. League Spartan. After we are done with that, we'll go ahead, add a little bit of element, to make it look a little bit good. So I'll go to this place, click on this element button, and click on this verified icon. So feel free to use any element of your choice. I don't know why that element is at the back. So let's go to position and drag it to the front. So in Canva, you are free to do anything you want to do. So feel free to customize your page the way you want it to be. So I'll put this in this top right hand corner. Yes, it looks good there. So after I'm done with that, I will go ahead and download it. Feel free to customize it any way you like. So I'll click on download and download it to my system. So after we are done saving, so let's go back to Facebook and then upload the work, what we have done already to Facebook. So we'll go back to that page. I'll switch over to that page and then we'll click on this top right hand corner. So it will bring us to our page, our profile page, where we'll, rechange or change the picture that was there. So this is the old picture that was there, and I want to change it to this new one. I'll click on this camera icon and then I'll click on upload pictures. As you can see, you'll see the video, the picture of what we've done once we see. So we'll rescale it, to fit what we want. So feel free to, arrange your own, rescale it in such a way that it will, be good on phones, laptops, iPads, and even on television. Sure you get. So after I'm done with that, I would save it. I will go ahead and save. So now we have finally uploaded it. You can see, let's give it time to load. Let's bring back the menu. I want to leave the normal picture that I used as the profile, and then the one that we just did now as the background. As you can see, it's coming out nicely. So if you have been watching this video up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, please take a moment and subscribe and turn on notification bell. So right in this menu, you will see where they write create new profile or page. So click on that and it will bring you to this place. So let's compare options. You can choose to create public page or personal profile. So let's turn for the purpose of this tutorial, we are turning our personal profile into pro mode, like into professional mode. So after we are done weighing option, we'll click on next and then it will bring us to this place where it says turn on professional mode to grow your public presence. We'll click on turn on. So let's give it time to load. So after it's done loading, it will bring us to this page. Where it says welcome to professional mode and let more people discover you. We'll click on continue, but before that, we'll set this as default. So after we are done with that, it brings us to this place. Say finish up your profile settings. As you can see that our page is already making sense. You can see that you just said create new content, said these are different things. Just see that. So we'll switch back to do some finishing touches to this. So after we are done with everything, we'll let's go back and see what our page looks like after we are done with the finish. So we can see that our page is almost ready. In fact, it's ready. You can see the option for that. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next tutorial. So while waiting for the network, see you next time.